Okay, so from what you're looking at, they're already preparing the gangway for replacement here. So probably it will take him at least a couple of hours more to install it, but they will eventually replace our gangway here. So as you see, now gangway, they took it out and they're gonna fix it. Well, they don't actually fix it, they actually replaced it with a new one. So which works good on our, on our case here. So right now they're just assembling it because usually this is done and assembled in a shipyard. But from the looks of it, they're the ones assembling it manually. And then after it's assembled, they'll put it back there. Anyway, I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Hopefully this will happen during my watch. So and I can take videos on it on my action channel. Okay, so I guess this is the part where they're trying to heave up the gangway here. They're already putting the chains there just to assemble it, and they're putting on also the slings. Okay, let me take a look. All right, most of my my co-workers here are just on the port side, so that's okay. Not gonna notice that I was filming here. So anyway, they're putting their slings, so within a few minutes they probably have to put it there and assemble this in that area. So yeah, let's just wait. I guess these guys are gonna go up. Let's see if
Copy, limit. Keep it. Do you got 60 millimeters under from 4 bolts with knots?
Okay, I gotta stop filming because people are coming in this way. Okay, like I was saying a few moments ago, I was interrupted. It took them only 30 minutes to finish this, to finish the installation of this new gangway. So we got a new shiny gangway right now. Hopefully this will not get broken within a few months or weeks time. Anyway, that's not my problem if it does get broken or not. So anyway, since it's now finished, I would just like to tell that I didn't take a video on that because a lot of people came in just to watch this new installation of this new gangway. Even the captain just came in, so I wouldn't even dare get the of course the take a video on it because yeah, I don't want to be caught wearing or having an action camera while on the deck. So for the moment, I'm just here trying to do my work shift right now as the watchman or the gangway watchman. And yeah, one more thing, the trash bin from there was already transferred to this area, as you can see on the side. It's now moved on that area because yeah, it makes sense that it would be much more easier if we move the dumpster from there, from here to there. So saves a lot of work and effort, to be honest. So yeah, I would like to say kudos to the forklift operator that came by an hour ago. So for now, that's all I can say on my work shift. Nothing much really is going on. People just come in, come out, and I am still the gangway watchman until my reliever comes within a few more minutes. So I'm still processing a lot of videos on my, on my, for my channel. So yeah, I'm really raking in a lot of video views here. Not exactly views, but more like production, a lot of video productions. So anyway, I'm just gonna conclude my now for my update, and probably I'll resume my video recording during night times. So see you in a few moments. Okay, right now, so we're just testing the lifeboat here. We just finished testing the lifeboat, and sorry, I kept mistaking. We just tested the gangway accommodation ladder. So, sorry, my bad. I just kept sometimes mixing the words. So right now, I'm just securing the remote control we use to lower our lifeboat here. Sorry, my bad again. The ladder. So this is the remote control for it. So it's fully automatic compared to some gangway accommodation ladders where you have to do it pneumatically and you have to pull some levers. Here, it's being pressed via remote control. So right now, I'm just gonna secure this one because they're still going to try to secure it. I can't secure it alone, so I just leave the remote control here in case of use. I'm going to just stow it a little. So here. So from what you're looking at, oh Jesus, it's a trip hazard. Yeah. This cord, if I'm not careful, this wire is really a trip hazard. So anyway, we just tested our, accommodation gangway ladder here, so you can see that. And sorry, I have to deal with I have to go through that, marking rope. So it's the usual thing. We have to test it so that no one falls off to their deaths when we're trying to rig one. So testing on any equipment is essential. So that is the view of our gangway ladder if you're trying to view it or if you're trying to rig it up. So see there, that is the view if you're trying to rig a gangway ladder here. The view would be the same if you're rigging a combination, which means combination ladder, which means you're using the pilot ladder and the gangway ladder, or gangway accommodation ladder. So right now, it's just being tested, so we're not using it actually on live. It's gonna be used live when we're at sea and if we're expecting a pilot. But for now, this is just only test to see if if the installation of the accommodation gangway is good and just right enough. So we've already also put back the wires here that run this gangway. So you can see a series of levers, pulleys that used to deploy the accommodation ladder. Now this little thing, this is the safety harness in case we're trying to rig up the accommodation ladder so we don't fall to our deaths. As a precautionary measure, of course, aside from having a life jacket and a safety harness. So you connect your safety harness here on this device. It's more like an attachment. Now this device in turn is connected to this wire, which goes all the way through the whole gangway accommodation area. So we could have a freedom of movement using this one. See? There. So probably we're going to secure it back, or we're going to finish securing it after lunch. But for now, it's lunchtime, and it's the start of my afternoon work shift. So I'm not exactly the one. I'm not exactly 100% the one testing this one, but the other guys on the deck, because unfortunately my work shift limits the movement I have to do and work on the deck. Why? Because the chief mate says so. So basically, they just limited me right now to a security guard or guard duty. So I'm the guy guarding the whole, passageway from the shore to the ship. So yeah, I'm the guard dog. Yeah, to simply put, I'm the guard dog. In any case, this is of course the motor that is used to run, or the wire motor used to run and deploy the accommodation ladder, which is powered by this remote control, which you saw earlier. This one. So, okay. I'll just probably have to let lunchtime pass and see how they secure this, or we secure the gangway accommodation ladder. But for now, it's lunchtime and I have to wait for an hour being the guard dog on this area. So I'll keep you updated when stuff happens.